Concrete foundations have great compressive strength. They can support structural loads when pressure is evenly distributed. However, concrete's ability to resist stretching and bending forces is not very good at all. Concrete's vulnerable to cracking and failure under certain stresses like that, like when the ground moves or shakes or settles. So to compensate for that, steel reinforcement bars, rebar, are put into the foundation system. And in typical residential construction, a number 4 half-inch rebar or number 5 5/8 inch rebar has to be correctly positioned into the concrete while it's being poured. There aren't enough government building officials to watch every home being built. So we need to leverage or hire local certified home inspectors to oversee this very important work of contractors, making sure our foundations to our homes and buildings are built to building code and high standards. If you're building or renovating, get it inspected by an unbiased certified professional home inspector.